Hello, good evening everyone. How are you? Okay, so yeah, today is our last session already lah. Okay, so if you yet to subscribe to my YouTube, okay, you may go and subscribe now lah. Okay, subscribe my YouTube or maybe follow my Instagram also can. Okay, my Instagram. So, yep. Let me see. Okay, so help me click like and also share this video. Hello. Last episode. Okay, I hope that in future we still can come back lah. Okay. Wait for Sifu to restructure their businesses. Okay, hello Jordan, HSI 9988. What is next? We'll test 24.8. Okay, later we review. WCT, Maybank, Petronas Chemical. Okay, Petronas Chemical. Yeah, if you remember, okay, during our previous dinner, but now already hit TP lah, okay. So yeah, later we review Eco Shop, AZRB, HelpTech Success. Hello Limbun1. Okay, hello David. Okay, Gadang S1 S2 GDB. Hello up. Okay, from Bun1 is Upmore Dialogue DRB Highcom. Hawk and also Yona Oma or SCG Berhad. Hello Patrick, last session today. Will miss my Q&A. Yeah, I hope just temporarily away lah. I hope that after Sifu restructure we will come back again. Okay, I hope that. I hope that I have the opportunity to come back for the Q&A session. Okay, so can help everyone lah. Okay, CBHB POS 3 Ren. Okay, and which one? Okay, UUE, Penta, Upmore, Petronas Chemical. Oh, banyak orang interested. Today got another stocks. I saw they have some volumes. Is Coraza. Okay, for those who are interested, yeah, please comment lah. Okay, so I only can review. Okay, so today content. Let's warm up with the US market, Oingo cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. And also disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy all the sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, a quick look. Okay, let's go for the US side. Okay, so far US side, we can see since Monday. Okay, and actually on Monday, US or we can say the global, they has quite a good news, okay, due to the European Union and the trade deals seems like already done. So market open gap up, but they did not manage to continue rally up. Okay, what we can see, market actually sell down on Monday and yesterday, okay, continue to pressing down. Okay, looks like market not so strong. And bear in mind that tonight, okay, tonight 2 a.m. there's a Fed rate and also press FOMC statement and also press conference. Okay, based on the forecast, likely, okay, no rate cut lah. Okay, so I think market already pricing on no rate cut, and maybe they will wait for the press conference. Okay, what I think is the chances for rate cut is on September lah. Okay, so yeah, I think most likely market will expect unchanged. Okay, so then market at the moment we can see Monday, Tuesday market for Dow Jones are not so strong. Okay, same to the S&P as well. Okay, more on some profit taking activities. Okay, for me it's like more on a correction only. Okay, same to the Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq got the what I say. This one is a so-called shooting star like candle lah. Okay, seems like they have some rejection. Okay, market likely to have some kind of a retracement. Okay, seems like a little bit topish, time for them to have some retracement, but overall, okay, market is still pretty bullish lah in my opinion. Okay, so how about the oil price? Okay, oil price rebound. If you notice, okay, even though previously I keep saying the oil price is doing very bad, but they are still supported very well at $64 and $65. And what you can see on Monday, actually the oil price rebounded. Tuesday continue goes up. Okay, they break above $67, $68, currently trading at $69. Okay, looks like the oil price macam curi-curi balik lah. Okay, so tentatively I will say so long above $68, oil price is bullish, and maybe this might indirectly benefit to oil and gas counters lah. But if they go back below $67, then no game ready lah. Okay, so how about the gold price? Okay, gold price also weak. They broken down below 3330. Okay, but most importantly, okay, gold price the crucial support is 3280. Okay, and do take note, actually gold price has been, okay, let me change the color. Okay, has been keep on resisted here for so many times already since mid-April until now. Okay, they already at this zone topish for so many months already. Okay, if they keep tested, still unable to go through, the chances for them to U-turn is quite high lah. Okay, but the confirmation, I would say the first alerts is 3280, second alerts 3200. Okay, if they broke below 3200, I think gold may have a deep sell. Okay, so first alert is a 3280 lah. If they break down, maybe you need to get ready loh. Gold price may crashing down. Okay, if we look at the correlation, actually they have some inverse relation. Okay, this is a dollar. Okay, we can see these 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, at the moment dollar is rebounding, so this also may be hinting that the FOMC the Fed may not cut the rate. Okay, if not cut the rate, I think the dollar may strengthen. Okay, and if they break above 100. Okay, we may see more upside on the dollar. Okay, so let's see. Next one is what? Cryptocurrency. Okay, for Bitcoin, so far they are still sideways lah. Okay, as we can see, since 11th of July, okay, when they go above 116k, okay, Bitcoin price is still remain sideways. So if they can sustain above 116k, we may see more upside on the Bitcoin. But if they break below 116k, we may see them revisit 108k. Okay, same to the Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum faces a strong resistance at 3009. Okay, let me see if this drawing is better. Okay, yeah, this one better. So we can see they are unable to go through 3009, so likelihood they might revisit 3005, 3006 lah. But if they can stay above, I think the market still got chance to make a comeback. Probably they need some time to go sideways around here. Okay, and how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, our KLCI Monday, Tuesday performance not so good lah. Okay, but today closing looks like close with a so-called hammer light candle. So we see whether tomorrow, whether they are able to recover above 1525, 1530 or not. Okay, if not, it might just be a rebound, continue sell down. Okay, so yeah, hopefully they can minimum above 1525 lah, but best case scenario is 1530 low. Okay, so this is overall market sentiment updates lah. Okay, so let's go for, let me screen through. Okay, CMSB, DNO no game. Okay, let's go through. Okay, HSI. Okay, we go for HSI first. Okay, if you remember, what I mentioned, I think even on Monday or last week, I do mention this is a very crucial resistance now. Okay, for HSI, then they memang not able to go through. Okay, and I do mention this is a crucial support, 25.4k, and they memang break down lah. So based on here, I think the HSI likely to revisit the support. Okay, where is the next support? 24.9k. Okay, let me put here 24900, 24.9k and 24.4k. Okay, so first thing first, we see 24.9k. If they are unable to support it, then they might revisit 24.4k. So based on current performance, I think yeah, I still need a confirmation lah. Okay, I still need to see whether they want to stay or they want to break down. So here maybe I can draw a zone for you to KIV. Okay, so maybe you need to write down already lah. So because next week onwards, no longer here already, you cannot cover already. Okay, so 24.7k and 24.9k. Okay, this is a support zone to take note. If they can stay, yeah, they do have chance to make a strong comeback. But if they break down, you may see more downside, probably to 24.4k or even lower. And how about the 9988 Alibaba? Okay, Alibaba is retracing today, closing a little bit ugly. So, okay, review only. Okay, now they are at the support. So you take note. 117, 115.8 is a support zone for Alibaba. Stay above, okay, if they can get supported well, I think it's still okay, still got chance to make a comeback. Okay, but if they break down 115.8, I think they might revisit 112 or even lower. Okay, if they break below, the short-term momentum not so strong already. Okay, they might go to 112 or even 110. Okay, so yeah, we see the next few days, probably they will follow the HSI sentiment. So if the HSI sentiment, if they can break below the 24.7k, I think this one also might follow lah. Okay, how about next one, WCT? Let's see. WCT, Maybank, Petronas. Oh, disappointed. WCT on Monday, they has a high volume pump up, but Tuesday, Wednesday, not able to go through. Okay, looks like 80 cents is a very strong resistance for them. Okay, so for me, WCT is still struggle at here, and we still don't know who is a bull. Okay, who is a winner? Okay, we still don't know who is the winner, but based on what I see, the chances is still there because whenever they push up, they do comes with volumes. Okay, when they wash down, the volume is lower. So for me, the bull is still have more advantage lah. Okay, so tentatively, okay, same. Take note on 760, 740. Okay, stay above is still okay. Okay, so yeah, maybe I put a remarks lah. So at least these remarks still can last for few days lah. Okay, make sure it's still above 740. Okay, so let's go for next one, Maybank. Maybank still ugly, Okay, as I mentioned before, okay, I mentioned before, bank counters no longer that bullish already, no longer in the uptrend because they already broken down 200 MAs lah. So what we can see now, Maybank is still in controlled by the bear. Okay, so based on here, the next stronger support will be somewhere around 93 something lah, probably 930, 932 like that. Okay, which is here, here, and here, here. Okay, but based on the current trend, they are still in the sell mode. Okay, they are still pressured by the bear lah. Okay, so I still haven't seen the sign of bottoming. So yeah, probably we still need to wait lah. Okay, how about the Petronas Chemical? Okay, this I has been mentioning quite few times already lah. So the first signal was 24th of July when they has a first pump. Okay, first signal. Then they retraced 2 days. Yesterday, today, pump up and currently hit the target one already. Okay, which is a 4 ringgit and 410. Okay, this is a 200 MA resistance. Okay, for me, if for those who do a rebound trade, here is your TP already lah. But for those who still want to fight on, yeah, of course you still can because the momentum is still strong, right? So tentatively, I will use a 490 pula. Okay, tentatively I will use a 390 as a defense. Okay, because they have breakout above a 390. So meaning if they retrace, stay above 390, still alright. okay, then we still can see for more upside, probably to 450, 460. But if they go below 390, then susah sikit lah. So Petronas Chemical, make sure above 390. Okay, I hope that all these remarks maybe can last for a couple of weeks lah. Okay. Yeah, how about continue rally up? Yeah, above 390, I think they do have a momentum to continue rally up. Okay, so how about the Eco Shop? Okay, this is quite a new counters, but so far I would say, okay, quite a new counters. So far they are at the support lah. Okay, I would say is one of the crucial support. So maybe I will put 127, 128. Stay above, maybe still alright. But if they close below, maybe tak cantik already. Okay, so yeah, due to this is quite a new counters. You can see May, okay, end of May baru come out only. So about less than 2 months time lah. So we still don't know how they. How is their DNA, how is their characteristic. So tentatively, I only can use a support resistance as a guidance, okay, which is a 127, 128 as the support. Okay, how about the AZRB? Ada volume, macam boleh. Okay, AZRB back in 10th of July, they do have a volume breakout, but did not break out successfully lah. You can see by end of day they do have a resistance. Okay, they do kena press down, then they sideways for so many days, and today another spike out with volumes. Okay, looks like okay. The price action looks better than here. Okay, the only thing is they are not able to clear 250 only lah. So tentatively, yeah, because this is quite a strong resistance. 2024 November also unable to clear, but for me chances is still there. Okay, so long above 225 okay, so long above 235, I think the momentum is there, and hopefully we can see them close above 250. Okay, if they are able to close above 250, then we may see more upside lah, probably to 280, 30 cents also got chance. Okay, but yeah, as you know, this is a high risk counters lah, just like that lah. Okay, so for AZRB above 225 still got hope. Okay, how about the help tech? Oh, pun ada a little bit chance. Okay, what we can see on help tech, 23rd of July they do have volumes. Then they sideway. Okay, on 28 they do have some resisted and profit taking activities, but still alright. Okay, because the next days the price did not fall down further, so for me it's still fightable. And today they have some volume spike up. So for this help tech, take note on 290. Okay, so stay above. I think they still got a little bit hope lah, and they need to clear 305. Okay, once they can clear above 305, then we may see 315, 330 level. So this one also the same. Also is a I would say they are considered high risk counters because sometimes they just pump down and habis and hilang already. Okay, tentatively I seeing short term they do have some opportunity lah. Make sure above and wait for BO305. Okay, today I put the notes all lah, so at least yeah, at least still can, okay, at least the notes can last for couple of days or weeks like that. Okay, success. This counters a little bit illiquid lah, in my opinion. So tentatively take note 630 as a support. Okay, even though they are illiquid, okay, but the recent volumes I would say still boleh tahan. Okay, make sure they are above 630, then maybe they do have chance lah. Okay, and pending for the breakout above 660, even they can break above 660, you also need to take note the resistance here, which is a 685, 690. Okay, this is a success. Okay, for Zhou先生. Okay, how about the Gadang? Okay, Gadang for David. Gadang a bit bottom steam. You can see back in 18 and 21st of July, they do have a volume pump up. but also the same. Okay, not able to clear 200 MAs, not able to clear 30 cents. The next few days they gonna whack down. Okay, when they whack down, the volume is quite high. So based on here, I would say the breakout consider fear already. Okay, 275 breakout fear already. So now Gadang might continue sideways macam ini lah. Okay, so tentatively they found a support at 250, 240. Okay, if they break down, no game. Okay, now what I can see is they lack of strength already. Okay, due to the breakout failure, and they might need some time to make a comeback. So for the support, 240, 250, and the next one, if they break down, the next one should be somewhere around, let me see, yeah, somewhere around 220 already. Okay, so take note lah. Short term no game lah, huh? So how about the GDB? GDB the same. Okay, they already broken down below 360. Today some more open gap down, close lower with a higher volume. So for me, tak begitu cantik. So based on here, okay, tak begitu cantik due to the short term momentum lah. Okay, long term point of view, if we zoom out, at least, okay, they are trying to going uptrend. So based on here, what I see is they might revisit somewhere 340 and 325. Okay, they might revisit this zone 340, 325. Okay, how about the AGMO? Okay, AGMO already broken down below 515. Okay, this indicate that short-term momentum tak cantik. Okay, tapi doesn't mean that they are game over. Okay, still ada game. Okay, still ada game. So tentatively, I will put 470 can lah. Below 47, okay. No lah. Okay, I take away this one. Okay, so tentatively, they already broken down 20 MA. Tak cantik lah, right? So now the last defense for them is a 480. Okay, if they lagi break down 480, I would say the overall structure tak begitu cantik. Okay, and they might revisit the 440 level. Okay, so now short-term momentum a little bit, I would say short-term momentum bearish already, but mid-term is still okay. Okay, so hopefully they can stay above 480 lah. Otherwise, they might step down deeper to maybe 440 level. Okay, how about the dialogue? Dialogue still okay lah. Okay, dialogue the price not really jalan much. Okay, tapi they quietly every day quietly go up lah. So for me, it's still alright. So tentatively for dialogue, you turn on 165 as your immediate support. Okay, if the oil price spike out, I think they might have some short-term momentum. Okay, so dialogue make sure above 165 lah. Okay, above 165, I would say short-term momentum should be still alright for this dialogue, and the resistance is a 176. Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, so how about DRB Highcom? Oh, okay, a little bit disappointed because they break below the 830 already. So based on here, yeah, indeed, DRB Highcom tak begitu cantik. So tentatively, I will put the support at the 80 cents already. So from here, you can see they have tested twice, 920, not able to go up. Okay, so previously, you can see when they test the peak and unable to go through, they might go back to 740 lah. Okay, so this time I will put 80 cents as a support to take note. If they can stay, maybe they will make a comeback. Okay, but if they break 80 cents, they might revisit 740. Okay, so yeah, 80 cents is very, very crucial for DRB Highcom. And how about the Hawk? Okay, these counters, I would say, consider quite a new counters. Last year, September until now, so less than a year only lah. So they had a strong sell on 7th of July and found a support at 440. After that, they bounce up. 15, 18, 24th of July, they has volume. So for me, the chances, I would say, still there. Okay, so long they are above 440, should be alright. Okay, for instance, they are at the resistance now, okay? Or we can say the crucial resistance would be the 490 and 50 cents level. Okay, this is a crucial resistance. Okay, so yeah, if they are able to break through 50 cents, should be alright. okay, we may see some upside lah. But if they hit, unable to go through, they might come back down to 440 again. Okay, so I will say this one, yeah, hopefully they can go above 50 cents lah. Like that, baru boleh cantik lah. Okay, how about the SCG Berhad? Wah, correct ah. So king one ah. Malaysia counters got so 厉害 one ah. So far so good lah, this one. Okay, what we can see SCG Berhad. Okay, despite today got attempt to sell down, okay, but the price, okay, managed to rebound from the 20 MA. So looks like 162, 165 is a good support for them. Okay, and the next resistance, 180, 2 ringgit, 208. Okay, this one I think should be based on the Fibonacci projection. Okay, so far so good. Okay, for me, since today they test the low already, okay, which is a 162. And in technical analysis, sometimes we call this one as a hanging man. Okay, macam a man hanging lah, macam die already. Okay, but this one need a confirmation. Okay, if tomorrow closing is a bearish candle, okay, or bearish candle close below 162, this could indicate that market may retrace. Okay, so hopefully the next few days they are able to sustain above 162 lah. So yeah, previously they do have a hanging man before, but the next day is a bullish candle so market continue goes up. So this time we need to see if close with a bearish candle, need to be careful sikit, okay, in case they have a deeper correction or maybe a reversal lah. Okay, so 162 is a very key level. Okay, if they can stay, then you can move on, okay, to target next resistance. Okay, last session today. Yeah, miss me, then click like and comment more. Okay, so hopefully when Sifu restructure, they will think about me and ask me come back lah. Okay, how about the CBHV? Okay, CBH Engineering Holding Berhad. So what we can see, they do have a breakout on 17th of July with volumes. Then market more on the sideways lah. This one is quite a new counters in my opinion. Okay, this year January only, so meaning half year like that only Okay, since they already broken up above the support, okay, above the resistance turn support 275 280 would be the crucial support. Okay, stay above is still alright. And how about the resistance? 310 310 335. Okay, due to this is quite a new counters, we still don't know their actual pattern. Okay, so tentatively I will use a 275 as a crucial support for them. Okay, if they go below, I think they need some time. Okay, how about the POS? Okay, POS, they do have a breakout on Friday. Ada volume breakup. Tapi Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday more on like a small profit taking activities. Okay, so if we look back, yeah, back in May as well. Okay, they are not able to clear the 310, so this was a previous support turn into resistance. So meaning 310 is a very strong resistance for POS lah. Okay, so tentatively, okay, they try once, twice, unable to go through, come back, retrace, rest a while. Okay, stay above 280 should be okay. Maybe still got chance lah. Okay, sometimes you try to fight the ceiling, fail already, come back, take a rest, try to fight again lah. So we see if they go below 280, most likely give out already lah. But stay above, I think it's still alright. Okay, so POS above 280 still okay. Need to BO above 310 lah. Okay, BO above 310 should be right. Okay, how about the tree run? Okay, tree run Monday attempt to break out, but not successfully lah. But tentatively, I will still see tree run as the potential triple bottom. Okay, but they still yet to break out. We still need to wait for a confirmation. So once they can clear 290, okay, meaning the closing has to be 30 cents lah, or 295 like that. Close above high volume, then okay, then this could be a come okay, we can consider this as a triple bottom breakout. Okay, means the operator or the bosses already accumulate the tickets enough already, and they started to do a breakout. Okay, in technical technical book they teach us like this lah. Double bottom, triple bottom also can, also possible. If they has a breakout, they do have chance to make a comeback. So Triran as well, pending for a triple bottom BO 290 lah. Hopefully they can close above 290. Okay, welcome. Okay, Choi Liang. Okay, review UUE. UUE. Yeah, on Monday they okay punya, Monday they has a volume pump out from 780, but you can see Tuesday, Wednesday they more on diam-diam, tak begitu, not really going anywhere. But I would say game is still on as long as they are above 780 lah. Okay, above 780 still alright. 780 still alright. Okay, how about the Penta? AGMO we covered already, Penta breakdown below 358. Okay, but doesn't matter. Okay, this only indicate that short-term momentum not so strong and the breakout failure lah. Okay, but this is a more crucial support is a 330 level. Okay, which decide them to whether change to uptrend or not. Okay, because previously the Penta price was below 200 MAs, they consider as a downtrending. Okay, so recently they already broken up above 200 MAs. So they ada jalan sikit lah, jalan now come back down. So if they are able to sustain above 330, the uptrend is still okay. But if they go below 330, maybe they might change back to the downtrend. So Penta, watch out 330 lah, as a support. Okay, Petronas Chemical we covered already, and OSK, where is the next resistance? Whoa, strong Okay, as we can see, OSK has been, okay, there has a retracement to just 20 MA, they rebounded up already. Wow, so far so strong sangat strong this one. Let me see. Yeah, supposedly if we base on the Fibo projection, the next resistance is a 133. Okay, which they already hit lah. Okay, so this one I think previously I draw with other under projection. So the next one could be a 154 lah. Okay, but from 133 to 154, this may take up few months. Okay, and in between, okay, you may see up and down lah. So for me, we need to be need to have an expectation now. They cannot overnight go to a 154 so far, right? So tentatively they are at the first target from the Fibonacci projection. So based on here, I would say for OSK still take note. Okay, use a 20 MA as a trading stop. Stay above 20 MA, they are still good lah. Okay, and okay, if we base on the previous resistance, okay, recently punya 136. Okay, once they can clear above 136, I think they are pretty bullish. Okay, Triran covered already. Okay, we will go for the Jaya Tiasa. Okay, for my Penang. Okay, Monday retrace, Tuesday neutral, today bounce up from 200 MAs. So I think it's still alright lah for Jaya Tiasa. Let me go through the CPO price. Yeah, for CPO price, they need to clear 4356. Then we may see some reversal signal and this could, okay, if they are able to clear above 4356, I think plantation may have some momentum or sentiment. So same as Jaya Tiasa, I think it's still alright lah. So long above 115 should be okay lah. Huh? Jaya, okay lah. Let me put support 115. Okay, 3 run we covered already. We go for the Crestdo. This one not so nice leh. Okay, this one already attempt rebound fail. They fail to go above 200 mAs. Currently more on the, I would say they are controlled by the bear lah. Huh? So maybe they might go back to 118 or 115 level. Okay, so far tak begitu cantik lah for this one. And how about the Sendai? Sendai also no game lah. Tentatively, I see nothing yet. Okay, so this one, let them go sideways. Maybe let them wash down to 420 or 385 also can. EL Reach. Okay, these counters for me, I'm not so comfortable based on the chart lah. Okay, I will see this chart as a very fragile build up. Okay, but so far they are still in uptrending mode. Okay, so you can use a 650 and 640 as the support zone. Okay, below 640 dah cantik lo, above still alright. Okay, for me, I will put a big question mark on them. Okay, I'm not so confident with their structure. Okay, and how about the CEB? Okay, CEBs ever since they broken up, they still yet to have a clearer movement. So tentatively, 10 on support, 320, 310 and 30 cents. Below 30 cents, no game. Okay, so 320 immediate support. No game if below 30 cents. Okay, Tasco. Not Tasco. Tasco no game lah. No chance yet lah. Okay, today has a high volume. Tapi they open gap up close low. So for me, still need to monitor lah. Still need to monitor couple of days, see how they going. Okay, how about the S-Rich? Susah juga. Okay, susah juga. And if you're interested, make sure they are above 180 lah. But for me, not worth lah. Not worth the risk. Okay, how about the SSB8? Okay, SSB8. I think during Monday when reviewed, they are still alright. But today more on a deeper sell down. They broken down below 560. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so 10 on 540 lah. Okay, if they go below 540, I think short-term momentum not so strong. Okay, so these counters, let me explain. Okay, previously they has been in this zone for a couple of months, since March until July lah. Alright, sideways so long. So now they have a breakout. Okay, breakout, then they jalan ma, right? So if they are unable to sustain here, okay, if they are able to sustain here, yeah, they do have chance to continue rally up. Okay, the momentum still cantik. Okay, tapi if they break down 540, they might come back down to retest a 50 cent support. Okay, because this was a resistance ma. Okay, breakout. If this unable to stay, they may come back down to test a support 2. Okay, so if they can sustain above support 1, the momentum will be stronger ma. Okay, tapi if they go below support 1, which is below 540, then the momentum will be weaker and they might go back to 50 cents. Okay, but if they are going, okay, if they close below 50 cents, I would say most likely no game already. Okay, now I will say short-term momentum maybe potong steam lah. Okay, tapi the breakout is still valid. Okay, the breakout is still valid. Means these counters cannot go below 50 cents. So below 50 cents, no game. Okay, so this one I don't want to put lah. Okay. Okay, next one, Hubsing. Hubsing sideways. Okay, this one is a Mercedes, right? Not the biscuit. Hubsing sideways, but they are in downtrend. Okay, so tentatively, okay, what we can see on the Hubsing. Okay, let me see on the bigger trend. So there has been breaking down. Okay, they ever since they break below 370, you can see this the sell down is very fast. Okay, until recently they bounced from 235. Now they go sideways. Okay, so maybe I would say currently it's a 50-50 chance Okay, at least they are no longer in the downtrend. Okay, but we still don't know they want to bounce up or continue drop down. Okay, this is just like what happened back here lah. Huh? They also macam sideways, end up they break down, continue sell down. Okay, so tentatively you can guess that. Okay, you can speculate that. Okay, this is a potential bottoming. Okay, not wrong, not wrong. So for this one, maybe you need to make sure the price is above 250 lah. Okay, above 250 should be okay. Tapi if they go below 250, then the chances of continue sell down is there. Okay, but even this one can rebound. Maybe we see until 285, 3 ringgit like that lah. Okay. iSend, new counters. Yeah, if you okay. How many candles I have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candles only. Susah lah. Susah nak how to say? Susah nak susah nak analyze lah. Okay, so if you're still interested with these counters, okay, what I can use is I use yesterday low as our defender. Okay, 335. Okay, go below 335, no game. Stay above, maybe still got chance. Okay, SKP resources, OSK. Okay, OSK we covered already. Okay, SKP susah leh. SKP broken down ever since they broken down below 960 tak cantik already. Okay, now they are at one of the crucial support 90 cents. If they continue breakdown, next level is a 80 cents level already. And the resistance 960 and 1 ringgit lah. Okay, how about the PIE? Also tak cantik lah PIE. Okay, although 370 is an immediate support lah. Okay, if they broken down below 370, next support 333 and 3 ringgit. Okay, so tak cantik lah. Okay, tak cantik lah. Okay, MN Holding. Oh, today attempt sell down, but they still stay above 150. Okay, MN Holding is still in an uptrending mode. Okay, currently facing some maybe short-term profit-taking activities lah. Okay, but okay, even though today attempt sell down, but they still managed to close above 20 MA. So for me, it's still safe for short-term. Above 150, still alright. Okay, even though what I see is okay, quite topish already. Tapi no reason for me to exit yet lah. Okay, so maybe tenor on 150, stay above short-term is still alright. Okay, yeah, long term, of course, no problem lah, because they are still above all moving averages. Okay, how about the Franken? Franken a bit topish. Okay, tapi, okay, currently, they are at one of the support, 4 ringgit. Okay, I need you to remember the support, more importantly, is a 380. Above 380, I would say they still got chance. But if they go below 380, okay, they might revisit 360, 350. Okay, currently above 380, still consider they are changing to uptrending stocks. Okay. SolarVest, let me see. Wow, SolarVest still super bullish. Okay, tentatively, I move a 20 MA here. 234 or 233. Okay, take note 233. Stay above short-term momentum is still pretty good. Okay, if they close below, maybe they will have maybe they just have a deeper correction if they close below 233. Okay, so you can use a 233 as your trading stop, and yeah, based on a previous projection, next resistance is a 270. I think it's a JT Group. Okay, speaking about the chances, JT Group, I think still yes. Okay, still yes. As long as they are above 430, should be okay. Above 430 should be alright. Okay, and the resistance 50 cents and 520 lah. Okay, CMSB. Basically no game lah. Okay, basically no game. Yeah, because they has a very strong resistance on Monday. Okay, a strong press down, a strong breakdown 128. So for me, tentatively, short term tak cantik. Okay, so now we need to rely on 115, 117. Okay, this is a crucial support for CMSB. Okay, how about the ENO? Okay, hold on. Let me scroll through. Okay, let me see. Okay, because I might miss out some question. Okay, ENO. Okay, yep. Okay, ENO also tak begitu cantik ever since they broke down below 865, broke down below 855. Okay, for me, a bit potong steam lah. Okay, so now they are more in the neutral mode. Okay, so next support is a 80 cents level. Okay, so I think short-term momentum not strong. Okay, so I think they might go into consolidate. Okay, they might go into sideways tentatively. Okay, and wait for the breakout above 865. Then they baru boleh ada chance to jalan lah. Okay, how about the VS? Tak cantik juga. Okay, VS already broken down 750, already broken down below 735. So for me, tak begitu cantik lah. Next level is a 660. Unless they can go back above 750, then baru ada game lah. Otherwise, susah sikit. Okay, tentatively susah sikit. And how about the LBS? Let me see. Macam okay leh. Okay, let me load the charts. Volume 10. Today volume improve sikit lah. Ada sikit-sikit volumes lah. Okay, so this one. Okay, above 445, they do have chance to break up. Okay, where they need to break? 470. Okay, once they can clear 470, I think we may see 495.50 cents level. Okay, on the other hand, okay, if they go below 445, tak cantik loh. Okay, how about the MSM? MSM, no game yet leh. Okay, no game yet. I think they need some time lah. Okay, if you got patience, then you make sure they are above 1 ringgit only lah. Okay, CMSB we covered. We go for the glove counters. Supermax. Wow, masih ugly Okay, Supermax they has a spiral on 8th of July lah. But after that, tak balik already. Okay, they already broken down 580. So I think the bear is still bear. Okay, the bear is still in control. Maybe next destination is 50 cents. Okay, currently glove counter is quite driven by the news. Okay, they need a good news on maybe tariff like that Dia baru boleh jalan otherwise susah sikit leh. Okay, top glove also tak strong. Okay, so yeah, maybe for top glove we need them to go above 70 cents. Okay, go above 70 cents baru ada story. Otherwise susah sikit lah. Okay, yeah, even though you can see yesterday got a hammer or like candle, today tak jalan So yeah, I hope to see a breakout above 70 cents then maybe got a short term rebound signal. Okay, otherwise let them cuci lah, continue cuci DNO also tak begitu cantik. Okay, currently at one of the support 1 ringgit, but they are still weak lah. Okay, they are still weak. Okay, how about the HSSEB? Okay, HSSEB, there has a breakout on 23rd of July, 24th of July also okay, 25th of July also okay. Okay, Monday a bit profit taking, Tuesday, Wednesday neutral. So this one I will say still at the game. Okay, still at the game. Currently at the support, 60 cents. Okay, if they go below 560, no game lah. HSSEB above 560, still okay. Hong Kong stocks, Xiaomi. Okay, let me find 1810. Okay, Xiaomi, previously when I review, I do mention they are a little bit toppish lah. So now they are still in a retracing mode. Okay, based on previous support when they find support I think it's somewhere around 100 MAs. So I think should be somewhere around 5250 lah. Okay, 5250 is your immediate support. Okay, 5255 lah. Okay, 5255 is your immediate support, but my ideal support is a $50. Okay, $50. Okay, this one is a short-term support but for the long-term one, I think it's somewhere around $44 already. Okay, which there has a gap here lah. So based on here, I think Xiaomi they are facing a correction. Okay, seems like they found they found a resistance $58-60. Okay, next one, SG stocks NTDU. Okay, let me confirm. Okay, SGX sorry I cannot read anything. Okay, due to discounters quite new 14th of July and then now I still yet to see. Yeah, because this you can see I only have few days candle to read so tentatively you can see they are still in a sell mode. Okay, so I yet to see any stabilization or bottoming Okay, so what I expect is let them downtrend and let them sideways build a base, then baru look for opportunity because we don't know where is the low yet. Okay, or wait for them rebound, then maybe stabilize, then only plan for entry. So there will be a better approach otherwise we still don't know how low they can push. Okay, how low they can press down. Hubline covered, Petronas Chemical covered. Thank you, Frederick. Okay, VS covered, Tango, let's see. Wow, happened already yeah, that's why I don't like these counters. When they push up they take many days to push out. When they sell one day gao dim already so okay, let me draw a stronger support. Okay, their strongest support 70 cents. Sorry, 70 cents. Stronger support. Okay, which is here. If they break down, confirm no game. Okay, but yeah, of course, we also need to respect a 200 MAs. Okay, tentatively 200 MAs is about 80 cents lah. Okay, if they can stay above 80 cents, maybe they will slowly come back lah. Okay, if they break below 80 cents, this is your first warning. Okay, first warning that they are no good already. Okay, but if they are unable to stay above 70 cents, sorry lah, holding sudah losak lah. Okay, so for me I not so like lah. Discounters, the build-out structure is very fragile. When they sell will be very fast and furious. Okay, how about the KPJ? Okay, KPJ, what we can see actually they already show us some weakening already lah. When they rebound, no strength, rebound, no strength. Okay, now they are at the crucial support zone. 250, 240. Okay, very crucial here. Stay, still got hope. Breakdown, no hope already. Okay, so hopefully they can stay above minimum 240 above 240 would. Okay, above 240 maybe still have a chance lah. Okay, how about the DuFu? Oh, open gap down. What they do? Got Q out or what? What happened? DuFu, okay, technically tak cantik already because they already broken down below 118. So if you want to give them a chance, yeah, maybe you can because they have a hammer like candle. They have some volumes. So hopefully, okay, the next few days they can go back above 118, 120. Okay, then forgive them. Okay, just like what happened here lah. They also have a open gap down but close with a hammer like candle. The next day recovered. So we need to see tomorrow whether they can recover or not above 118. If yes, yeah, still may continue to monitor. But if no, maybe you need to consider whether you want to cut loss or what. Okay, if unable to stay above 118, they might revisit 110 or 107. Okay, so this is a risk of downtrending counters lah. Okay, how about the assumption? Hey, this one in liquid leh. Okay, no game yet. Okay, belum ada game. Sorry. 320 is a support. 375 is a resistance. Nothing much leh. Okay. Most likely I can say they are... Oh, okay. Most likely I will say this assumption is at the support only lah. Okay, the support is a 370. Okay, I saw you say will give dividend. Okay, I think the gap down was due to the adjustment. So yeah, because the trading view they need 1 or 2 days only can readjust the charts okay, so if dividend costed by dividend, then I think should be no issue lah, not much issue lah. Okay, assumption still in the bottoming mode lah. So for them to move they need to clear 375 or 40 cents level. They baru ada chance to make a comeback. Otherwise you need more time lah. Need to wait lah. Okay, how about the Kinergy? Okay, still okay lah. I would say still alright. Okay, chances still there. Okay, just that. Okay, previously they has moved up too much already. Okay, now they need to go sideways. Okay, just that we don't know sideways for how long lah. But the structure I think is still alright. Okay, for this one, Kinergy and how about the Jackson? Jackson is still downtrending lah. Okay, even though today got volumes lah, but for me, not so nice lah. Not so nice. Okay, how about the Cosper? Cosper tak cantik yet lah. So I think they might go back down to 1750 lah. Okay, so tentatively your immediate support 1800, then 1750. And conclusion is bearish. Okay, bearish. Okay, how about the Henyuan? Go. Rebound saja lah. Okay, yeah, probably maybe you can say due to the due to the oil price is rebounding, then maybe the sentiment they might bring some sentiment to the ONG counters lah. So that's why you can see today bounce up. So based on what I see here is due to the oil price sentiment is good. Yeah, of course they benefited a bit. Okay, but what we can see is just a short-term bounce, so maybe to 147 or maximum 159 like that lah. Unless the global has a very strong tension, costed the price, oil price to spike out lah. Then they baru can spike out a lot ma. Okay, how about the M-Bank? M-Bank is still sideways. They haven't decided where to go yet. So maybe you need to write down. Okay. Because today is our last session already. Okay, so M-Bank 5 ringgit 525. Okay, go below 5 ringgit, they may lead to more downtrend. Okay, probably to 4 something already. Okay, if happen they can go back above 525. They do have chance to make a comeback. Okay, so yeah, write down low. Otherwise, unfortunately, CMB also weak. Okay, they rebounded to 680 but failed. Okay, kena press down. So based on what I see here, they might revisit 630 or even lower. Okay, so bank counters are still in a bear mood. Solar Vest we covered already. We go for the SMRT. Sorry, wrong country. We go for the SMRT. Okay, SMRT on Friday they have volume spike up. Monday another spike. Tuesday profit take. Today neutral. Okay, so for SMRT, do take note this counter still below 200 MA. So for me is still considered downtrending stocks. So take note 880 is your crucial support. If they can stay above, maybe still got chance to fight back. Okay, if they close below 880, susah a bit. Okay, MN holding covered already. We go for IT Max. IT Max still okay lah. Since they broke up above 380, they are still alright. Okay, so momentum's also okay. So yeah, IT Max above 38 still alright. Okay, IT Max above 380 still alright. Me Tech, okay, let's go for the MI. Okay, MI previously break up, right? So tenor 198 and 2 ringgit. Okay, stay above, I think still alright lah. Okay, hi evening, please review ADB gonna miss live session. Thank you all the reviews. Yeah, welcome, no problem. Yeah, and also thank you everyone for like supporting our live session lah. Okay, ADB. I think it's still alright leh. Okay, they are still above 200 MAs and still above quite many important support lah, especially all moving averages. So I would say above 108, 105 should be okay. Okay, just that maybe no reason for them to push up low. ADB above 108, short term momentum still alright. And the gap resistance to tenor is 114 and 120. So I think it should be alright lah. Okay, based on what I see here, still okay. Even though they have a little bit divergence lah, but for me still okay lah. Okay, 108 and 105 lah. So maybe I put 105 loh. Okay, above 105 should be still alright. Okay, US stock. Okay, let me see. Alap. Nasdaq should be. Oh, US market open already. Fill the gap, continue goes up. So far so good. Okay, so 114, 115. Still okay lah, this one. Okay, and tenor on the resistance 135.5 and 147. Okay, as long as they are above 115, I think the momentum is still alright. Okay, momentum is still alright. And how about the HS plan? Still okay. I would say still okay. Yep, Hub Sing Plantation. Okay, they are above all moving averages. So I would say HS plan above 190 still alright. Okay, even though they break below 1, okay, maybe I put 185 lah, above 185 still alright. Okay, RHB. Okay, RHB Bank, yeah, tak cantik already. Okay, RHB Bank already broken down below the 200 MAs. Now resisted by 630. Okay, tentatively, I think 620 also susah a bit lah. They also started to turn into downtrending. Okay, so next support is 6 ringgit. 6 ringgit is a very crucial support for RHB lah. RCE cap also tak cantik. Okay, already broken down so many crucial support already. 118 also broke down. They are in a very big downtrend. This one also tak cantik already. I would say they tak cantik very long time ago already lah. Okay, how about the Coraza? Okay, Coraza, if you notice, actually these months, okay, especially this zone, and also today, they have volumes lah. Okay, so I think they are macam preparing for something. You can see here they are already in the sideway. Okay, but we also need to have a stops lah. Okay, which is 470. Okay, meaning so long they are above 470 should be okay. Below 470 tak cantik lah ha. Above 470 still alright. Okay, and the next resistance 535. So for me, I think Coraza looks macam ada strength, ada strength. CAB. Okay, CAB is still in the sideway. Not much things to update lah, but okay, at least this CAB already above 200 MAs. Now it's in the sideway lah. Okay, they already this zone for 2 months. Okay, so pending for the breakout to next level lah. So the breakout is 70 cents. So if they can break 750, 765 loh. Okay, US stocks Jetta. Let me see. Still no game yet. Okay, until they break above $18 lah. Okay, if they can break through $18, they baru ada story. Okay, now I will say they are still in the zone lah. Okay, pending for the BO only. Once BO, then you may see more upside lah. Okay, US. Okay, but if you're interested, current price I think okay. Maybe with your stops below 1388. Okay, below 1388 is your stops. Okay, NH. No game leh. Okay, if you see these counters, you see they gap down, and they gap down. Okay, don't go and try lah. Okay, we still don't know where is the next support. Okay, and you can see previously they are in the uptrend, now in the downtrend. So they could drop as low as 200 or even lower. So no rush. Okay, so dialogue just now cover already. I think they are still alright. Okay, above 165, 159, I think it's still okay. Nvidia TP200. Yeah, I don't know 200, but for me they are still in the uptrend lah. So for this case, yeah, they already broken out above 150, and next support maybe I will put probably you can use a 20 MA as your trading stop. Okay, currently 20 MA is a 168 . Okay, you use a 168 as your trading stop. Stay above, then you slowly trial your trial your profit lah. Okay, so as long as they don't have a big movement, okay, break below 20 MA, then you still hold on until 200. So okay, DuFu back QR announced yesterday. Okay, I see XD 28 . Okay. So meaning today's gap down is not because of the dividend dividend no. Okay, let me go back to DuFu . Yeah, you give me more information, at least I can explain from the chart lah. So what we can see on today's price action. Okay. If due to the back QR announced yesterday, okay, this morning market panic they open gap down. Okay, then penny sell lah. Okay, but by end of day, maybe people thinks that maybe the worst is over. Maybe they think that future prospects still okay, so they push up back. So this become what? A hammer like candle, and you can see the volume not too bad lah. Okay, so for the hammer, next day confirmation is important. Okay, if tomorrow close with a bullish candle, I think it's still alright. Okay, hopefully they can go above 118 lah. Then maybe history may repeat itself just like here. Hammer, open gap out, close up, then market go up already. Okay, if tomorrow close with a bearish candle, then susah sikit loh. Maybe they will come down to 110 or going even lower. Okay, so tomorrow is a crucial. Tomorrow closing is very important. Okay, for DuFu lah. EcoVest. Okay, EcoVest, what we can see, Monday they already hit target lah for Ola, right? And Tuesday open gap down, and looks like a profit taking activities. You can see Tuesday volume also quite high. Okay, but the game still on as long as they are above 40 cents. Okay, above 40 cents, maybe still got a chance to retest again for 440. Okay, as mentioned before already, 440, 460 is a important resistance. Okay, last day extend until 10:30 cannot lah. Okay, because got people wait for me. They need to switch off the PC. So I cannot talk until so long lah. Big Bear AI looks like the name looks like a scam already. Okay, they used to have a pump and dump. Got chance go to 10. Yeah, if you based on the previous resistance, yes. Okay, previously February. But now looks like lack of strength a bit leh. Okay, so make sure they are above $6 lah. Above $6, I think the momentum still boleh tahan. But if they go below $6, I think susah sikit lah. You can see this one macam what? They macam double top like that lah. If they break down 6 ringgit then $6 then susah sikit lah. But from what I see these counters just purely based on the charts I think they are more like scam leh. Just because the name got AI $6 lah, $6. Yeah, the name already give you know this stocks is a bear stocks. Okay, so $6 very important. Okay, Maybank just now covered, but I would say Maybank is still in a bear mood. Okay, you can see bank counters since this year April onwards when they first broke down 200 MAs, even they come back also no strength they already tell us that they are turning into downtrend lah. Okay, these are I think I mentioned quite some time ago, and you can see here also is an obvious double top. Yeah, even though they have a rebound but eventually they break down below the McDonald's. Okay, you can see the M shape they break down already 965. So based on technical point of view this is a reversal. Okay, it's a from uptrend into downtrend. Okay, but if you are long-term player, of course you are waiting for opportunity lah. So tentatively, if we based on the double top breakdown the target is somewhere around 890 lah. Okay, but I don't know whether they can achieve this level or not. Okay, maybe I will put maybe 9 ringgit is a next better level to KIV lah. Okay, so tentatively I see the bear is still in control, so no rush. Okay, wait for them to stabilize. Okay, how is your view on US stocks EL? Okay, EL. Okay, not my name EL. ST Lauder. Okay leh. Got EL. Yeah, bias sikit lah. Got EL, must be good lah. Okay, so what I can see on these counters, previously they are pressured by 200 MAs. Okay, recently back in June, they already slowly recovered above 200 MAs. So I would say they are trying to change the trend into uptrending lah. Okay, especially they go back above here. Okay, previously these counters they have a gap down, resisted. Now they go back already. Okay, which is somewhere around $85 lah. Okay, meaning above 85 should be alright. Okay, above 85, the reversal is successful. And next level is $100 which is one of the crucial resistance. Okay, next one, Sita Global. The Bear AI. What I see the name is very scamming already lah. Looks like a crypto memes coin name. People dodge they are the bear. This one no good yet leh. Okay, very volatile and very scam also. So if you're interested, make sure they don't break below 80 cents or otherwise touch until already. Okay, so here come with our last session. So I would like to thanks Sifu for having me here. Okay, we have been doing this live session for around, should be about 4 years already, 3 to 4 years already. So tonight could be our last session now. Okay, until further notice. So if you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now lah. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live charts. So if can, you just screenshot this QR code. Okay, click to join my Telegram lah. So anything I will just updates there, and I also hope that Sifu will invite me back to the live session lah. And yeah, wait for them to restructure and maybe hire the person in charge to do the live session lah. So yeah, thank you everyone for supporting us for so many years. And yeah, if you yet to subscribe to my YouTube, you may subscribe. Okay, in YouTube is a EL Stocks Trooper. I do have a weekly and maybe daily sharing on the stocks, but mostly is in the Mandarin session. Okay, so maybe in future, okay, if I have enough time, maybe I will try to do some live session. Maybe. Okay, so anything I will announce in the Telegram, and also maybe in my Facebook lah. Okay, so if you yet to follow my Facebook or Instagram or Telegram, yeah, please go and follow now. And yeah, anything I will announce over there. So thank you everyone, and we see you again, maybe, hopefully. Okay, thank you everyone. Yeah, don't miss me lah. We still can go for dinner. Okay, thank you everyone, and see you. Thank you.